We pay a predictable, flat monthly fee for high-speed internet at home. For large corporations, the scale is different. To keep their global locations connected, enterprises frequently face annual networking bills reaching six figures. These massive investments often yield frustrating results. Corporate connections frequently offer lower relative speeds than a basic home Wi-Fi setup. Launching a new branch office can take months of waiting for service providers, and when a connection fails, identifying the source of the problem remains a slow, manual process. This reliance on physical network hardware creates a bottleneck for expanding companies. When growth depends on laying cables and shipping heavy equipment, the network stops being a tool and starts being a financial and operational anchor. The difficulty lies in the scale of the architecture. A local area network, or LAN, handles the devices inside a single office. But a wide area network, or WAN, connects those offices across different cities or countries. Connecting a headquarters in New York to branches in London and Tokyo requires a sprawling web of long-distance infrastructure. For decades, businesses have relied on MPLS, multi-protocol label switching, to maintain these wide area connections. MPLS functions by leasing dedicated, private lines from telecom operators. It is a hardware-heavy approach, requiring specialized technicians to visit each branch site to manually configure the routers and physical lines. This system is exceptionally rigid. A single severed underground line, or the sudden need for a temporary office location, can result in weeks of downtime while engineers wait for new physical hardware to arrive. Treating data transfer as a physical engineering problem makes the entire system too brittle for a modern business landscape that requires constant, rapid change. SD-WAN, or Software-Defined Wide Area Network, circumvents the limitations of physical cables by shifting the logic of the network into the cloud. SD-WAN decouples the network's management from the underlying physical hardware. Instead of manual tuning, an intelligent software layer controls the network from a single point. This hardware becomes a thinking router. It operates as an autonomous system, making real-time decisions about how data moves without waiting for human instructions. This intelligence begins with zero-touch provisioning. When a new branch office opens, a local employee simply plugs the SD-WAN device into a wall outlet. There is no need for an on-site IT professional to configure the machine. As the node powers on, it reaches the central hub, instantly receiving a configuration schematic. The software bonds broadband, 5G, and legacy lines into one high-capacity pipeline. It monitors lines in real time. If one fails, data diverts to healthy paths without interruption. Automated self-correction minimizes the risk of network downtime and significantly reduces the manual oversight required to keep a branch connected. Beyond finding the fastest path, the software inspects the individual data packets to identify exactly which application is being used at any given moment. This allows the system to prioritize traffic. A time-sensitive video call is routed into a high-speed VIP lane, while a heavy background file download is moved to a wider, slower path, where it won't interfere with the call's quality. Moving sensitive corporate data over public broadband lines introduces security vulnerabilities that private lines didn't face. SD-WAN addresses this by automatically building encrypted tunnels around the data. It creates a secure environment, even over the public internet. This architecture provides both the speed of public internet and the security of a private network on a per-application basis. Centralized management replaces the traditional chaotic cycle of engineers traveling to physical server rooms. IT teams now control the entire global network from a single dashboard. From this dashboard, headquarters can track real-time health metrics across every branch, monitoring bandwidth usage and connection quality simultaneously. When the company needs to update a security policy, they no longer touch individual hardware. A single command pushes that update to every branch office in the world at the same time. Enterprise networking has shifted from a logistical hardware challenge into a streamlined software function. SD-WAN changes the economics of connectivity. It allows businesses to achieve the reliability of expensive private cables using a mix of much cheaper, widely available internet connections. While the cost savings are significant, the real value is speed. Companies can now scale to new markets as quickly as they can plug in a router, drastically shortening the time it takes to become operational. The physical wiring of the past is being replaced by digital logic. In this new landscape, the software commands the network, and the hardware simply follows.